Hey guys, so I'm Frank Tech and today I'm back with a new video, new face and new intro. So in this video I'm gonna be unboxing this HP 22IH monitor. So without wasting any time, let's get head to it. So guys, I have got the monitor from the box on the unboxing table. So it was not damaged at all. So let's start with the unboxing. So first you're gonna get a normal power cord. Okay. So this is the matte finished stand for the monitor. This seems to be the paperwork and the warranty card, which you don't need until that product is officially damaged. So this is the HDMI cable. So I am currently having a good HDMI cable, so I'll just keep it for later use. This is the main neck stand for the monitor. So let's keep it aside and we'll check out the monitor. And as you can see guys, so this is the main monitor, which is of 21.5 inches of size, and god, as you can see this. So if the camera can focus, it says HP 22IH. So this is the perfect monitor and it has got a clean bezel. I thought, as per the photos on the online website, I thought that the bezel would be much more larger, and but it overcame my opinions and my thoughts. So this is it. So now let's assemble the monitor and let's see what kind of image do we get. And the regular problem of the Windows updates, which we always get on the time of any video. So I'll be back after this shit works completes. Hey guys, so guys, as you can see, I have successfully set up my monitor again, and now I'm gonna talk about the specs, detailed specs about this monitor and the reviews about it. So let's start with the specs. So speaking of the spec wise, this monitor is of 21.5 inches and has a full HD 1080p resolution, and it has two ports, one VGA port and a HDMI port. It has the 60 Hz refresh rate, so it's basically not a gaming monitor, it's a productivity monitor. And as per the HP's websites, its price is around 6,000 to 7,000 rupees. So those who are thinking about getting a monitor which should be good for your eyes, some great quality of video you can watch, you can do a lot of productivity work, this monitor is best for you guys. So now this were the specs. So I'm gonna be turning towards the cons first. So as soon as you start your monitor, you log into your Windows and you change the monitor resolution to 1920 by 1080p. So first of all, you're gonna see is, as we know, the Windows 10's this bar is true black color, and as you can see in the video, I don't know how much the video is focusing, but this black bar is somewhat grayish scale, so it has a light white tint on the screen. I don't know what kind of is it a damage or it's the product specifications, but I have tried changing the settings of the colors too, and I have came to a conclusion that this monitor has a light white tint. Other than that, there is no problem in this monitor. I have tried gaming on this, there is no single problem about it. So according to Frank Tech Solutions, you can buy this monitor for your productivity work, but if you are a true gamer, you have to go with the Acer monitor, which is of 75 Hz and will be getting off Amazon sale soon. So guys, this was the small review about the monitor, which was the HP 22YH, a true 1080p monitor. So if you like the video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, you know what to do. Consider subscribing my channel and hitting the bell icon. Until then, this is me, Mr. Frank Tech, signing off. Peace out.